at a cost of, what was it, 23 quid or 24 quid a mic. I was looking at different mics for bikes and stuff like that. Okay, the Drift Ghost cameras are a waste of space. Their picture quality is crap, the build quality is crap, and they do not connect to a PC. I've checked with dozens and dozens of different bike groups, several hundred people. None of them can connect them to a PC successfully. And there's no customer support. But I figured a microphone dedicated for bike cameras might be beneficial. It was, I think, £16 and £5 postage and packing. It took 8 days to reach me. So hopefully give it a go, Liza. Okay, so it comes with a clip. That is basically it. It is just a microphone, it's no earpiece, it is just a single wire, which is great. That's all I want. And the clip, it's only really big enough to put onto your helmet strap, which is fine, because that's what you want. You want it in that kind of position. I'm sure what you could do is take this and wedge it up under your chin piece. But I want to try it first, just to check out the audio. And then, because I don't want to plug it into a camera, because that means spending hundreds of pounds on a camera that will actually accept it. And most of the cameras have their own dedicated connections, which is even more expensive, like GoPro. The GoPros, you've got to spend, I think, £100 extra to be able to use a microphone. And then you've got to buy a microphone. So what I intend to do is use my nice little cheap camera, which works on the bike, and then use this plugged into my phone to record audio, and then just edit them together afterwards. Hopefully, in theory, we shall see. Unfortunately, I'm kind of restricted at the moment as I've got a really nasty ear infection. Something you get when you ride bikes and not cars. Okay, so hopefully I'm now recording with the microphone and not the phone audio. Hopefully, theoretically, perhaps. Homemade booze. Of course, the real test will be to actually get on the bike with the wind noise, because that is the biggest issue. There are little things you can do to help with the wind noise, like wrapping it in foam, wrapping it in furry stuff. I'll see how this goes first. Okay, to position your microphone, or rather my first attempt, a nice secure helmet holder. There we go. Now, modern helmets, these chin pads come out. Do it carefully just in case you don't. What I'm going to do, take the mic end, put it in there so it's just poking out. And then reattach me chin thing. So it's now here. Never used one before, so I'll see how it goes. I have also closed my chin vent, otherwise you're going to have wind blowing straight onto it. So that's where mine's positioned. Now for a spin. I am back from my spin. Did about 50 miles down the coast and back. For some reason, it didn't record any audio. It recorded for 35 minutes, but there was no sound. I had a bit of jiggle with it. Did a little quick video audio. It recorded. I then had it set up, as I showed, on the return trip, and even at low revs. My bike is not a Harley. It's a Jet bike. Yeah, it's 1000cc, but it's not a massive noise machine. Only when I was sat still could you hear my voice. The rest of the time, all you could hear was engine noise. The whole audio recording was, I'm not even going to bother putting it on the video because there's no point. All you can hear is the engine noise, which is kind of pointless. All I can think to do, I'm just glad I didn't spend more than, what, 21, 23 quid, whatever it was, for the thing. What I might try and do is just wrap it in foam, maybe. There's different videos where people give advice about how to do it, but yet they don't ride fast. They don't ride in a windy area. And why would I want to do a video if I'm not moving? That's kind of pointless, defeats the whole purpose. So I may do some experimenting with foam and fur collar of a jacket if I've got one. So at the moment, the mic is a waste of time, waste of space completely. All you can hear is the engine and wind. So yeah, the advertising, oh, you can hear your voice when you're talking. No, you fucking can't. Even sat on the bike, not riding, with the engine off, you could barely hear me speaking. So yeah, waste of time. I'm gonna have to modify the crap out of it, and maybe then it'll work. But I'll play the audio. I am talking the whole way through this. All you can hear is engine noise. That's all you can hear is engine noise. So I'm gonna have to modify the crap out of that. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a waste of time.